Hello and welcome to another course on my channel. If you are interested in learning Power BI from scratch, so this is the right place for you. In today's lecture, we will understand some part of the Power BI and we install the Power BI for desktop. So what is the Power BI? It's a powerful business intelligent. It's a stand for powerful business intelligent and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. So it allows you to connect, analyze, and visualize data from different sources, all in one platform, helping you turn raw data into meaningful interaction reports and dashboard. So what the Power BI does is connect to various data sources, allow you to connect the dashboard with Excel, SQL Server, Oracle, Web, etc. Transform and clean your data easily using Power Query Editor. No coding required. Building interactive dashboard with charts, maps, and visuals that update automatically. Share reports securely with others via Power BI service online or Power BI mobile app. This is the main component of Power BI. In this course, we'll focus only on Power BI desktop. All the others are not included in this course. So we have the Power BI desktop, the main application for creating reports and dashboard. This is the goal, to creating reports and dashboard. You have Power BI service. This is an online cloud platform where you publish, share, and collaborate on dashboards. Also, you have Power BI mobile app to use to view and interact with dashboard on mobile device. Power BI gateway connects on premises data like SQL database. Power BI query used for data cleaning and transformation, and also we have Power BI pivot. This is used for building data models and the relationship between tables. We have Power View and visualization used to design chart, graphs, and dashboard. Why Power BI is very popular? Because user friendly, drag and drop interface, easy to learn, powerful integration, work smoothly with Excel, SQL, and other Microsoft tools, interactive visuals, dashboard update dynamically with filter and slicer. Free desktop version, you can download it for free. Strong community and continue update from Microsoft. So all you have to just go for Microsoft Store on your computer, or you have just to write Power BI desktop and then just click install. I just installed it a few minutes ago. So all you need Microsoft Store account. Is better to create it with, if you have a Gmail account or Outlook account, so just you need to create a Microsoft account. Open the Power BI desktop. So when you open the software, all you have to go, just ignore all these, or just go all this sign and go for blank report. So click next, close, and close this one, and go for files. You can see some options in here, options, settings, options. And we have within the preview features, make sure all these view features are selected. We need this preview feature when we start our course. Okay, and also we have here we have another options we have to set. This is this is a preview feature. We set this one. Make sure all these preview features are selected, the boxes, and then we have data load. Within data load, make sure the update or delete relationship when refresh data. This is unchecked. This one also unchecked and no relationship. And this is auto date and time uncheck. Okay, and also we need to set within the options, no need to set the language, so go for regional setting. This is English United States, just select the English United States. So this is all the setting that you need to know. This is just the beginning. about the Power BI. This is how to download the Power BI desktop. And in the next video, we'll start every day. We'll have one lecture. I'm gonna provide all the data that you need, and we work step by step until we build our dashboard. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.